Montevalle Health and Wellness Resort is located in Valle de Guadalupe, Ensenada, just 1 hour and a half from the Tijuana-San Diego border. Montevalle provides an exclusive and calm space for people seeking to detox, boost, and restore their health through the most comprehensive therapeutic protocols. And today, we are going to talk about Reiki and meditation, two of their holistic therapies. A holistic therapy views the whole person, mind, body, and soul. Well, we're here at the Labyrinth in Montevalle Health and Wellness Resort with Gustavo, who is going to talk about meditation and Reiki. Gustavo, how are you today?
Very happy to have you here.
Oh, I'm very happy to meet you. Gustavo, I see that you have a reflexology path here.
Oh, yeah.
Can you please tell us about it?
Oh yes, it's a very special space too. You can do it before or after meditation. What it does, it's when you walk barefooted, you connect with the earth and you connect with the points in your body, the energy points. So that helps you not only relax, but also helps you heal some health situations that you may have here. And it helps you get into the tone to begin meditation or Reiki. And well, it gives you a chance to enjoy the view.
Wow, great. Thank you so much for sharing that. Please tell us about meditation and Reiki.
Well, meditation and Reiki are some of the practices that people will have the chance to do here at Montevalle, which is a part of the therapies that they can do here. And it's a very important part because it's a complement. It's the mental and physical and spiritual part of every treatment, every health treatment. We are here, as you said, on this space that where we do the active meditation. We have peaceful meditation, we have active meditation, and we have Reiki. We have group Reiki, and we have personalized Reiki, which basically it's a practice to calm the mind, to regain balance, not only on the body, but also on the mind and the spirit, which is the three parts that we need to take care of.
Most definitely, most definitely. And can you tell us, how do you do it with people? How do you guide, the people who come and visit Montevalle?
Okay.
In that matter?
With peaceful meditation, so basically what we do is we take the space and the time to relax and focus on basically what we need in the moment. You know, there's a connection between the people and who's given the meditation. So then you will know exactly what kind of practice you're going to do in the moment. In active meditation, like in this space that we're here right now, also is different, you know, and it all depends on the energy that the person is sharing with me and the kind of exercises that we need to do. At the end of the day, this space reflects your life. It's the path of your life, walking around it and focusing on something that you want to do and something that you want. So it's always different. With Reiki, basically what we do is we share the energy of the universe. Mm-hmm. Basically that's Reiki. Reiki it's love, Reiki it's energy. Reiki it's receiving throughout who's sharing the energy with you. And it helps you also with some kind of physical illness.
Yes, I mean, it's if you can heal, no? It's through
Yeah.
your hand, using like the energy of the universe, right?
Correct.
Through your hands and putting it into the
Correct.
body, right?
And and helping people to learn how to use your energy. At the end of the day, we all are energy. This place is full of energy.
Of course.
Guadalupe Valley is full of energy. Montevalle is full of different energy. And obviously this space is full of different energies. And that's the main thing. Learn how to use that energy in your behalf for your own health.
Okay, no, I think that's wonderful because, I mean, there's eating healthy, that part, of course, and all the amenities when you can enjoy it, but also like nurturing your soul, you know, at a spiritual level, your mind. It's something that we truly need. That's what we are, right? So
Correct.
I mean, I don't know if there's something else that you would like to add. I mean, being the expert. Besides that, I want to stay and meditate right now with you. And
Sure. Well, basically, invite all the people seeing your program to come and enjoy for them and discover for themselves what they can do for the body, for their mind and their soul. Without spending just 1 day here, 2 days, 3 days. Once you get here, you want to stay here forever.
Forever. you know, and I'm telling you, remember we were talking just before, serenity, calmness, in a beautiful place. And I believe like you have everything here, because in any package, I always mention that because it's true that you choose, you have you know, you're staying and amenities and a restaurant with food, a doctor and holistic therapies, and this wonderful gift here of a meditation and Reiki to nurture and connect with yourself. So,
so this is part of what you will find here
at Montevalle Health and Wellness Resort. Gustavo,
thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll invite everyone to come and visit and meet Gustavo. Come directly so you can heal, so you can connect with yourself, so you can relax, and well, all that you mentioned.
Sure.
Thank you so much. And let me tell you that Reiki and meditation and other holistic therapies, treatment, your stay at the luxury villas, healthy meals, and all the amenities are included in the package you choose. Immerse yourself in a revitalizing experience at the Baja California's most exclusive health and wellness resort, Montevalle.